everybody, and welcome back. We are moving on to lesson 2 for the ukulele. Last week we worked on the C chord. Today we are going to add the F chord. But before we get started, let's make sure our ukulele is in tune. I've got my little tuner here, okay? And remember that top string is going to be G. And you can see it turn green, so that means that one's in tune. Then the next string down is going to be a C, so it should sound like this. And you can see that my tuner is turning green, so that means that is playing the right note. And then we have E, which is going to be second to the bottom. And it looks like that one's in tune. Did you see that turn green? And then the bottom one is A. Yep, that one's in tune too. So it should sound like this. Alright, and if you look, today I have my handy little dots on here. I've got my blue dots to show the C chord, and I have some red dots to show you where to put your fingers for the F chord, okay? And we will go through that more as we go through this. Before we get started with our new chord, let's just review our C chord. Do you remember which finger that we used to play the C chord? Remember, we have the blue dot here, right, which is in the 3rd fret, and it's on the bottom string. And we use finger number 3, right? So we're going to take that 3rd finger, and we are going to put it on that string. So everybody hold it. We're going to hold the neck in the left hand. Remember, it should be in the left hand. And the right hand we're going to strum with. You can strum with your thumb, or you can strum with your finger. It doesn't matter, whichever is most comfortable for you. But let's all put our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret there on the bottom string. And then let's strum. All right, strum with me. 1, 2, ready, strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, stop. And also remember what we said last time. You want to have your fingers nice and curved like this. You don't want to have them flat like this so that they're going to touch other strings. Keep them nice and curved and push that string down with your fingertips so that you don't mute the other strings, okay? You see that? All right, this, not that, okay? So use that fingertip, okay? Let's strum that C one more time. 1, 2, ready, strum. 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, stop. All right. Now, last week we learned Are You Sleeping? So let's strum that and sing as we do the C chord. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John. One more time. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. All right, there we go. Now we are going to learn the fingering for the F chord. All right, and when we do the F chord, we are going to be using finger 1 and finger 2. So I want everybody to hold up your hand, wiggle finger 1 and finger 2. All right, finger 1 is going to go into the 1st fret on the 2nd string from the bottom. And then finger 2 is going to go on the top string in the 2nd fret right there, okay? You see that? So finger 1 and finger 2. Remember to keep them nice and curved like that, not like that, okay? Use your fingertips, and then it should sound like this. All right, so once again, we've got finger 1 and finger 2 on our left hand, and then let's strum with our thumb or your finger, whichever is more comfortable. 1, 2, ready, strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, stop. All right, how did you do? Did you have a good sound? Just remember, if you have your fingers flat like this and you strum, it's going to mute the strings. It's not going to sound good. So remember to curve your fingers up like that, okay? All right. See, and then it sounds a little bit better. All right, that versus flat. So curve those fingers up. All right. In the classroom, that was the biggest problem we had with the F chord, is people wanted to flatten their fingers, but if you keep them nice and bridged, you'll get a nicer sound. All right, so now we are going to practice. Let's practice strumming that one more time. The F chord, finger 1 and finger 2, okay? So finger 1 right there, and finger 2 right there. And you can see I've got the red dots on mine. You see that? So 1 and 2. So strum with me. 1, 2, ready, strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, stop. All right, now we're going to go back to the C chord, and we are going to strum the C chord 4 times, and then we're going to switch to the F chords. We are just going to practice switching between the 2 chords. So it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this can be a little tricky if you're not used to it. So if you get stuck on this part of the video, feel free to rewind it and keep practicing it over and over, or stop the video and practice it on your own until you get it. So let's try it one more time. We'll start on the C chord, then we're going to switch to the F. Ready? And C. 1, 2, ready, strum. C, F, C, F, C, F, C, F. One more time. C, F. All right, how did you do? Was that a little better that time? I sure hope it was. If not, keep practicing. You'll get it. All right, the song that we are going to learn that uses the C and the F chord is called Michael Finnegan. And just put your ukulele down for now. Just set it next to you and just listen, okay? And it's going to start on an F chord. And it sounds like this, okay? It's going to use F and C. So it's going to be 4 strums of F, followed by 4 strums of C, followed by 4 strums of F, followed by 2 strums of C and 2 strums of F, okay? There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He grew whiskers on his chin again. The wind came up and blew them in again. Poor old Michael Finnegan, begin again. So the song goes like this. There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He grew whiskers on his chin again. The wind came up and blew them in again. Poor old Michael Finnegan, begin again. Silly words, I know. But all right. So if you want to give it a try, just try strumming. You don't need to sing right now, okay? Just try strumming. It's going to start on a C. Here we go. Or, I'm sorry, it doesn't start on a C. It starts on an F. So finger 1 and finger 2, okay? 1, 2, ready. And there was an old man named Michael Finnegan. Now switch to C. He grew whiskers on his chin again. Now F. The wind came up and blew them in again. Now C. Poor old Michael. F. Finnegan, begin again. All right, let's try that again. Ready? Starting on F. 1, 2, Ready? F. There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. Now C. He grew whiskers on his chin again. Now F. The wind came up and blew them in again. Now C. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. And we switched to the F there at the end, didn't we? All right, one more time, nice and slow like that. Ready? And there was an old man named Michael Finnegan. See? He grew whiskers on his chin again. Now F. The wind came up and blew them in again. Now C. Poor old Michael. Now F. Finnegan begin again. All right. Now let's try doing this without me telling you the name of the chord. Let's see if you can remember, okay? We start on F, we switch to C, okay? 1, 2, ready, and there was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He grew whiskers on his chin again. The wind came up and blew them in again. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. All right, one more time and let's repeat it twice, okay? Ready? And there was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He grew whiskers on his chin again. The wind came up and blew them in again. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He grew whiskers on his chin again. The wind came up and blew them in again. Poor old Michael Finnegan begin again. All right, how did you do? I hope you're getting it. If not, feel free to go back to the video or go back to the first lesson and see if you can catch up, and just keep trying, keep practicing, just do your best, okay? You'll get it. All right, we'll see you later. Next time we are going to do a song that uses 3 chords. It's going to have the C chord, the F chord, and a new chord, which is going to be the G chord, okay? So that is what we will do next time. I hope you have a great week. We'll see you later.
Later.